visit. You see, today we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join the party.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and rumble your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. And the procession begins!
Supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing?
All right, giraffes, we're first on the count of three. Let's hear some noise. 1, 2, 3.
Why? I'm in the sheep section.
I just can't wait to be
Hello! Hello! Look at me! I'm in a parade! Hey, jungle monkeys! Walk me over by the warthogs!
Get ready, warthogs. It's your turn. Let's get to sporting. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. Am I in the right section?
All right, Lions, let's go where it is. Paws up. 1, 2, 3.
Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go!